Hello students, this is Stalin, APCSC. Hope you are all good and safe and home. Now I would like to share a topic on artificial intelligence for third year computer science and engineering. Uninformed search or blind search. The uninformed search is not a directed search. See, they don't have any additional information about the states other than the state provided in the problem definition. So other than problem definition, we don't have any information about the other states. It operates in brute force way. Brute force way means trying all the possible ways, as it only includes the information about how to traverse. Traverse means going through the tree, and how to identify leaf and goal nodes. The performance evaluation is done based on the following criteria. So they have four criteria. They are completeness, optimality, time complexity and space complexity. Okay, let us discuss about the first type of search, that is breadth first search. Here's the procedure. The BFS, that is breadth first search. The BFS algorithm starts searching from the root node of the tree and expands all the successor node at the current level. So it starts search from the root node and it expands all the successor node in the current level. So that's the procedure, and let's see the implementation. The BFS can be implemented using first in first out data structure. As soon as a node is visited, it is added to the queue. All newly generated nodes are added to the end of the queue, which means the shallowest nodes are expanded before the deeper nodes. Okay, in this diagram we can clearly understand that. So this is the initial node and this is the goal node. So this is the start node. The search is going to be processed from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and finally to K. Completeness. BFS is complete because if the shallowest goal node is at some finite depth, it will find it and generate a solution. See, the node starts from the search starts from A and the goal node is at K. So this is of finite numbers and we have generated a solution. And BFS is going to search each and every node. So that is the biggest positive in BFS, that is breadth first search. The next thing is optimality. Optimality in the sense it can be also known as correctness or most favorable or most desirable, etc. The shallowest goal node is not necessarily optimal. BFS will yield an optimal solution only when all actions have same cost, let it be of any depth. So the depth doesn't matter here, because the weight has to be calculated in each and every node based on the weight, and the length of the search or the depth of the search will be decided, and the optimal path will be decided only with the weight in each and every node. So that's called optimality. And to speak about the time and space complexity, yes, the breadth first search will take a lot of time because it is going to search each and every node. If it starts from A, it will not going to search like A, B, D, F, etc. It is going to search each and every node. Each and every node is going to be searched. So if the node is of finite depth, the time will be minimum.